Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to play Rainbow Six Siege on your Xbox using a mouse and a keyboard. So right now, there's no support for mouse and keyboard directly on the Xbox console. So what you need to have is an XIM device. So right now, what you're looking at is the XIM matrix. And so basically, what it does is it converts the mouse and keyboard inputs into controller inputs. Now, the Xbox console reads the mouse and keyboard inputs as your Xbox controller. So basically, it emulates it. Now, this one requires a lot of hardware configuration, so make sure you study it or do some research before getting one of these. Here in this slide, you will see the XIM Apex device. So you will connect the Xbox controller on the device, your mouse, and your keyboard. It will go directly to your Xbox console, and that's the basic layout of the XIM architecture. Now here, there's a lot of configurations for it. That's why you really have to do your research. So for this XIM matrix, which is available now, so you can see a lot of configurations here. Also for NBA 2K26, for Black Ops 6, and of course for Rainbow Six Siege. These configurations are community based, so you can freely use it. So basically, that's it.